Hey guys, welcome back to Core Java tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to use an if-else-if loop in Java. An if-else-if loop is more essential for checking more than one condition at a time. So we in the previous part we see how to use the if-else loop. In that part, in if-else there is only one condition is checked at a time. So if you need to check more than one condition at a time, you can use the if else if loop instead of simple if loop. So here is the syntax for if else if loop. If condition is a boolean one, here is the statements associated with that loop, statement or statements. Okay, now I have to check one more condition here. If else if, sorry, it is simple else if condition, it is condition 1, it is condition 2. So the same loop body is also here, this also have a loop body. Again you have to specify any number of else if. So I just use here, you can specify any number of else if here. This condition n, you can use n else if, n consecutive else if with this syntax. Finally there is an else block present here. Okay, this is the syntax of a if else if. The working is, if the condition 1 is true, then only the block associated with the if loop only execute. At that time all the other part, that means all the consecutive else if are skipped from execution. Also these else are skipped from execution. If the condition 1 is not found to be a true one, then the compiler will check for the next if else if. It will check for the next else if the condition is found to be a true, then only this block will execute, and if it is not found to be a true one, then it will check for the other. And finally, if none of the if else if is found to be true, then the else part of this block will execute. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In the next part I am going to explain the working of if else if in deep with a complete example. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.